Let's take a look at old Tetris here. Little axle left to get us started. I thought maybe that was all that did. If that plays at game 2, look at that! I do want to adjust the screen just ever so slightly. I have this weird feeling like this is a demo, but I could be wrong. Nope. Yeah, we're not gonna. Oh, boy, a little touchy trigger finger there on the old down pull there. We'll have to be a little bit more cognizant of that. We're not going to play Tetris all night, but we're just going to check it out. Well, that's an odd shaped piece. You don't see that every day in the old Tetris. That's also an odd shaped piece. Interesting. Oh, well, I did say this is Tetris 2. So I guess in theory, this would be could be pieces that we're not familiar with on the old Tetris. What is that? That's the old Galaga piece. That's all that. I tried to spin that in there, but it didn't like that. Boy, I'm making a mess of this Tetris board, aren't I? What would you do with this? Like that? Yes. I guess you could. I guess it'd be, I guess it'd be more of that. All right. And then you get a hat. And then you get a hat. And then everybody gets a hat. Okay. A hat for everybody. Boop. Boy, those. All right. Is it the first time I got a line in this whole game? Golly. Do 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 dooby 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 doo doo doo. Well, this is an interesting little. Let's see if I can scoot that over. Watch this. Yeah, it did let me do that. Oh, look at that. Yeah, why not? Tetris 2. This cannot possibly be a licensed title. There's so many millions. I'm using that only barely exaggeration of Tetris clones and Tetris ports and Tetris freeware and Tetris shareware and Tetris. There was a time where you could not throw a stick without hitting a Tetris port, and some of those, there were lots of authorized one like Blocktris, and remember Blocktris and Weltris, and there was the 3D Tetris, and all kinds of Tetris. So there was plenty of Tetris. If you like Tetris, the 90s were a great time to be alive. If you like Tetris themes, then this was not the port for you. Well, all right. Well, this is It's Tetris. You get it. This is Tetris 2. Completely different. You know what? I haven't seen any squares. Remember the old square? That was a nice piece to have back in the day. Is that? Yeah, that's way too wide. Uh-oh. Not good. Not good, Al. Oh, look at that. Oh, now we have these soothing evergreens. A nice background. That was always the fun thing of your different Tetris ports would have different backgrounds and such. There we go. Tetris 2 for the Apple II. Try again. No.